Hello guys, this is Naaz Arora. So today I'm here with this beautiful lip combo and to give your lips that perfect definition with some amazing lipstick hacks, techniques and something that you all would love. So without wasting any time, let's just dive into the video. Hi you beautiful people. So I have got the perfect dupe for my Huda Beauty Contour 2.0, and this is in the shade rich brown. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply on half lip this lip pencil, lip contour. Okay, do you see the difference between both sides? This looks like more of a lip filler form. It's just going to neaten this up. So half my lip is done. The perfect dupe for this is the Wet n Wild Simmer Brown pencil. This is their liner, like kohl liner pencil, but I use it as a lip color. It's the perfect replica. Do you see? There is hardly any difference. Now if you see them, you cannot really make out which side is which, and this is the beauty of makeup. And I'm going to smudge it. You can see it is literally giving the same effect when I'm brushing it across my lips. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this nude lip shade, apply it in the center, just dab it across for the perfect ombre color. What a beauty. This is your perfect matte nude shade. Look at the way it has changed my lip game. Enhance it further and make it more glamorous. What I'm going to do is I'm taking this lip gloss from Huda Beauty. Just applying it here. And I'm going to use the same ring finger. And we've got your luscious glossy lips in no time. Well, if you want more such elaborate lip tutorials, please let me know in the comments below and I will be more than happy to share my favorite lip combos, lip techniques with you all. And I will see you very soon. Don't forget to follow me on all my social accounts. Bye.